What's up, everyone? Aubrey Trades. Late afternoon, I know, but we're coming with a recap anyway. Crazy day, just horrible trading for me personally, all the way. Let's take a look at my P&L on the day. Not 1781. And then that's actually like, I don't know, in the 20s or 30s or whatever. Because one of these is an OTC stock that I shouldn't have played. I had no business playing, but I did because of FOMO, and I'm an idiot. So, we're gonna talk about it. Some highlights, though. I mean, big runner. NEGG, spiking from the 28s to $79 today. Just absolute insanity. Made no money on this. Frankly, I left by about 7 o'clock. So, I saw these three candles. I just, when something goes from 29 to 36 and then is halted, I'm kind of like, yeah, I don't know. I'm not so sure about this. I don't like getting halted in stocks and whatever. And, I was busy on some other plays that absolutely wrecked me. So let's just get into it. BSQR. I wonder if there's a way to sort these by time. If we go to count statement, let's do like trade history. Sure. Boom, boom. Okay, cool. So let's do this from the open. First stock is DARE, DTST, DARE again, DPLS. All right, so DARE, these first couple are just pretty dumb. Like, I did a couple pre-market tasters because I'm a degen, and I do things that I shouldn't do. I think I would learn, but I don't. Saw this kind of being over here, but, I thought I could get some more upside. I thought I was going to have more upside than 264, here at 258. So near the top, really. And stopped out 251 when it started to cross this HMA here. And I'm like, all right, cool. So it's not going to work. It's not going to work, 240, 238, same idea. We were kind of bouncing. I honestly, I should have taken this at 35 if I was going to get anything. But again, this was a one share because I already knew I was being speculative. Let's go back to here. Next trade from DARE is DTST. Another, pre-market taster, as I'll call it. Actually, hold on. Let's zoom into here. 1298, buying here. I mean, I'm thinking we're getting some further upside. No, sir. Getting stopped out here at 1280 beneath this HMA. So that was my signal for the break. Honestly, I think this is just FOMO. I don't know why I'm trading pre-market. One share though, so I kind of knew I was taking a speculative play. It is what it is. Wet my feet, I probably shouldn't even bother. I should just try and get profitable first, but whatever. Degen status. Well, that was DTST, right? That was DTST. Next, blah blah blah. DPLS. Okay, so this was the real one that I'm just so upset about. Look at this, man. DPLS, Dark Pulse, closes high yesterday, gaps up today. Sad time. My thesis here, I was looking for the panic dip buy, and actually I was trading off the 5-minute chart. So let's go to the 5-minute chart. I'm thinking I'm buying here, 12 cents, right? 12 cents. I'm thinking I'm buying. I'm going to risk low a day. I'm buying the morning panic, right? Morning panic dip buy. Right idea. I was just off by 5 minutes. And once we clocked that new low a day, I had to get out. So I got out at 12. I bought at 12.23. I got out at 12. I misspoke earlier. 5 minutes later, the true low is here in the low 11s. Climbs up to new highs. Just completely dummy. I mean, it is what it is. I had a plan. I followed the plan. I stopped out at new lows. And at that point, I did not have enough capital to re-enter. I got $6 left to trade by the end of this day. I only had about 800 or so. And yeah, 500 of that wiped out in this trade. Now, I didn't lose 500, but I have to wait for that cash to settle now, right? So that's DPLS, just totally upsetting. BSQR and Clove are the next trades, and those were two that I'm down to my last two positions, right? So I really wanted to give them room and time to work, right? So BSQR, let's go over here, BSQR, and I maybe should have left BSQR a lot earlier than I did, but remember, I like the 15-minute chart, so I'm buying here. We're back above this VWAP, right? And I'm like, all right, cool, yeah. I give myself low a day, super wide, right? Low a day. And I just watch this grind back down, and okay, well, I guess I gotta call it $5 on the day. Whatever. Not whatever, it sucks. I'm trying to give myself a max loss of like $20 a day, and I've usually been pretty good. This is the first day I've really come right up to that. The past few, you've seen it if you watch the trade recaps. I've been a few cents here, a few cents there, a dollar here, a dollar there. Today was just bloodbath, comparatively speaking. I'm trading. I'm small. Yeah, I still got $16.52 on a $2,000. So sucks. I'm down a lot actually. But fuck. We gonna get there. Clove. Yeah, Clove, man. Bought here, risking a low a day, right? And all of these sells in the at 992. This is all. All right, I'll explain the trade. All right, so I get in. We're here. We're hovering in the tens, right? I get in 10-10, right? It's about the average. I think my first entry was like 10.09 or whatever. I'm thinking, okay, Clove. We got yesterday's lows, right? Right around here, that 997. So I'm thinking, setting this as my risk, right? 997. That way, I give the trade a lot of room to work, and I'm right here. I'm right up against that 997. So I'm like, all right, got a good risk reward spot. I'm just gonna let it breathe, give it room to work, and it just didn't work. We ended up grinding down. I was adding, I was up a little bit here at 1017 at one point, and then when we came back down, I wonder if I can show it on the minute chart. You see my initial entry here, getting some off here, a rebuy, MERP, right? Just total MERP. Oh well, I stuck to the plan. It didn't work. I cut the losses when I was supposed to cut the losses. Oh well. Maybe 30 minutes later you wait and you grab this crossover and you take the 970s to 990s, but I don't know. You gotta really catch it. That's about it. That is all the trades that I made. Let's see. Quick overview of where we're at today. DTST You know, up 32% on the day, sure, but, you know, really just faded. This gapped up and faded. Dare gapped up and faded. NEGG was really the only good winner. Clove, you know, clocked a new low. Zila ended up working. This was on watch for a potential red to green move, and I just wasn't here. I was already out. And this worked nicely. If you waited for that red to green, 250s to the 320s, you know, that could have worked. You even had a VWAP bounce opportunity here. Again, I was out of capital and I was frustrated. And when I'm frustrated, I got to go for a walk. I got to call it, right? You know, I don't want to trade emotional. I don't want to make stupid decisions. And, you know, this, that, and the other thing. I'm going to get rid of me. Blinn briefly getting back up to this little level here. I don't know why I drew that. Oh, as a potential, consolidation from after hours. No, we kind of retested that. Faded again. DPLS, I think, ended up just fading for the rest of the day. VXRT, not much. OPNT, you had a little bit of something here, but nothing like crazy pretty. GMER, what is this? 27s to 41s. That's all right. Well, I missed out on GMER. That's pretty great. MMAT down on the day. TAT, Tata is looking interesting to me. I have this. Let's go over here. Again, I know nothing. Don't listen to me. TAT is looking juicier. You know, I had this. I was thinking, you know, TAT, maybe we bounce off of this 649 after this crazy breakout. We're getting close. If we get near there tomorrow, I'm thinking we could be in for a bounce. I'm going to be watching that pretty closely, actually. And there's not a whole lot of, you know, we're really filling this gap up. So, I mean, as far as I'm concerned, there's not a lot of consolidation around here to fall back on. So, 650s, I might be looking for a bounce on TAT. And it's the space play. I think, is it tomorrow that Jeff Bezos or the other dude goes into the... Oh, let's take a look. When does... Who's the guy? I bet if I... Billionaire... Space race. Brown one day ago. Which billionaire is going to space? Richard Branson, Sunday. Okay. So it's a weekend thing. Anyway, it's just part of a theme, right? TAT, space, or Virgin Galactic, right? You know, we'll see. Anyway, that's about all I got. I'll be back tomorrow. I'm going to come in for market open and do a watch list for everybody. For myself. Keep me accountable. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.